Hello world, how you doing today? Today we're going to do a Crescent taco bake, and right now I need to check the meat, so we don't want to burn it. I'm just giving it a good stir, turning it down. Going to add my taco seasoning, and you can use any type of taco seasoning you want, whatever packet that you want. What I do is I sprinkle it on top, add my water, and then I mix it all together. And while that is going, we wanted to incorporate, we're going to start our crescent rolls. And what we're going to do is you get 2 cans of your favorite crescent rolls. It doesn't matter what kind they are. And let's get these suckers open. We have 2 cans of crescent rolls here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them out in a starburst pattern, and we'll be right back. Alright, our meat is just about ready, so I'm going to stir it up. Give it one good stir. Okay, we're going to turn it off. And what I'm going to do is let it sit for a minute. I want it to soak up some more of the liquid that's in the bottom. And then we are going to start filling our sunburst here. We're going to add cheese to the hamburger, but we're going to do it in a bowl. So I'm adding all my meat, which is 1 pound of ground beef, into the bowl. And we're just going to add the cheese. So what I do is I just sprinkle it on top. Kind of getting it all over the place. You want to make sure that it gets incorporated into the meat. So you just take and fluff it up a little bit. Alright, this is a messy part. We're going to start stuffing. Now we're just adding the meat with the cheese already incorporated, and you're just doing a little bit at a time because you're just doing it in small sections. We're trying to build like a little wall so it comes up. Okay, after you fill the middle of the starburst, you're going to start wrapping the tips of the crescent rolls into the middle and tuck them under. And what you're doing is you're creating little pockets right here. And it forms a ring. Okay, we preheated our oven. We want it to be on 350. And we will cook this for about 12 to 15 minutes. In a conventional oven, you're going to do it at 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. We're just trying to gently tuck it under. What you're trying to do is create a nice ring. So I just kind of smush it all together. Alright, this is just about ready to go in the oven. My next recipe to go with this meal is going to be my best friend Tammy's family refried beans. And I want to thank Tammy, David Jr., and Jonathan for giving me the inspiration for this meal tonight. I'm using a NutriBullet to blend this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 cans of pinto beans. Now I know you all are saying, what? Nobody blends them this way. Well, I'm going off of a family recipe, and I think it's going to turn out awesome. We add 1 can of tomatoes, chopped up. And this is going to be tomatoes, jalapenos, and cilantro. We're going to throw in some more cilantro. We're going to throw in half cup of jalapenos, a half of a white onion, and then we have, for the not the full hearty, we're adding in red crushed pepper flakes. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to blend this and pulse it just for until it's kind of a smooth consistency. And it's going to get loud. I'm sorry. Okay, as you can see, it's all blended in, and we're going to put this in a pot, and I'll be right back. So, in a medium saucepan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the lid, and I'm going to pour it out and see how this comes out. I've never had refried beans this way, but my best friend tells me it is awesome. I'm going to put this on the stove, and we're going to do a medium-high heat. I don't want to scorch the beans, and I don't want to burn them. Okay, now we'll just let this thicken up. Oh my gosh, it looks really good. And that is the microwave convection oven telling me that it is ready. So we're going to add our bake onto the rack and pop her in the old convection microwave. I love this thing. This is a KitchenAid convection microwave. If anybody is interested, I'll be more than happy to tell you everything about it. Alright, push start. And all we are waiting for now is basically to cook the beans. And we're going to let this go for 15 minutes in the convection microwave. And we'll see you in a minute. Okay, time to take this out of the oven. Oh, looks really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cool down. And once it's cooled down, I'm going to add lettuce, tomato, olives, and avocado to the top. Serve it with sour cream and salsa. That's what we like, and we'll be back in a second. We have lettuce, shredded lettuce here, fresh. Just pop that in the middle. A little bit of tomatoes. Some sliced black olives, and then a slice or two of avocado. And what I'll do is I'll slice this up. These are done. They're a little creamier than what I thought they would be, but they look delicious. So we're just going to plate it. Put these back over here. We're going to add a little sour cream.